Hi guys, so the Super Bowl is tomorrow and I wanted to show you how I'm gonna make the chocolate strawberries for a big order that I have. Okay, so I'm gonna be using sweet tooth fairy chocolate and I'm gonna be melting it in a deli container. We wanna take it slow, so we're gonna start off with 30 seconds and then we're gonna mix very well, and then we're gonna be doing another 30 seconds. Right here you guys can really see a difference. Now make sure that you're mixing very well because there's still heat in the container, so that's going to help continue melting the chocolate and avoid overheating it. So I really love these spatulas and I'll be linking them for you guys because it's so much easier to mix with a spatula than it is with a spoon. For the chocolate candy milk that I used, I didn't need to add any shortening, any oil. It just was the perfect runny consistency. But if you guys feel like it's too thick, you can add a little bit of vegetable shortening. Right here you can see that it still has a little bit of chocolate that needs to be melted. So I'm gonna do 10 seconds, and that is all that I'm gonna do because I don't want to overheat my chocolate. Now, you don't want your chocolate to be too hot when you're gonna dip your strawberries, because if your strawberries are cold and your chocolate is hot, it's gonna crack. So just be aware of that. Okay, so now I have my clean strawberry and I'm gonna be adding 2 toothpicks for added support. Sometimes when you add 1, it's just not enough. And we're gonna pull back those leaves. Okay, so now we're gonna dip completely all the way to the top. We're gonna be doing it nice and slow and get a clean coat on the strawberry. Now you're gonna wanna shake your strawberry a little bit to remove all the excess chocolate. And right here, I'm just gonna place it on a silicone mat, but you can also use styrofoam if you don't like the flat bottom on the strawberry. Just use styrofoam and stick it on there with a toothpick. That's actually how I'm gonna be doing it for the order that I have. So once you have your strawberry, you're gonna wanna let it completely dry before we add our details. Another very, very important tip is that you wash and dry your strawberry the same day that you're gonna deliver them. I know it's a lot of work, but trust me, if you wash them beforehand, they're gonna get mushy and it's not gonna be as fresh as it would be if you wash, dip, and deliver the same day. I'll be linking the silicone mat because it's so amazing. Just look at how the strawberry comes off so easily. If you don't have the silicone mat, you could also just use parchment paper. Okay, so right here I have white chocolate in a Ziploc bag and we're gonna go across 2 times. I'm kind of messed up on this one, but take your time, and we're gonna do 1 line in the middle and 3 across. Okay, so now we're gonna do it again. You're gonna wanna go nice and slow. And 1 line down the middle and 3 across. You could also add 4 or 5 if you like it more. I think that's what I'm gonna do too for my order, because I want it to be a little bit more detailed. After the chocolate dries, we're gonna remove the toothpick and add it to a mini cupcake liner, and that is all.